what's up? We are back for workshop, Hormozi virtual workshop, and this might be it for the last day, maybe not. We're gonna find out. Yesterday was just basically doing live calls, implementation with the AI. So I'm gonna jump back in the video and then I'll be back to your call in a little bit. That's it for today. Basically, he talked a little bit. The only note I had was basically some CRO softwares he uses, or you can use. I think it's like heat mapping stuff. I think I'm gonna learn about this stuff in the landing page optimization course I'm in right now. But like, yeah, heat maps for clicks, attention, scroll, view, etc. Hotjar and mouse flow. I think these are the heat maps. I think those are heat maps that he was referring to, so, or softwares for them. So that's it for today. I will talk to you tomorrow. Tomorrow there's a 90% chance, 95 maybe, that we finish the video. We have like 7 minutes left. So that's it for today. Talk to you tomorrow. See ya.